Hello folks, let's create some parcels using Civil 3D. I'll let the workflow start now and pause when I need. This is creating some alignments. Alignments are what Civil 3D essentially calls roads. And the main trick here is to make sure that the site is always the same site, and it works. So the same site ensures that everything that you put on there, parcels, um, roads, anything is on the same site. Otherwise, it can create overlaps and Civil 3D can get a bit confused. Next command is offset alignment, and offset alignment gives the road some width. And you can create these width on either sides of the line or just one side of the line, depending on what you'd like to do. At this point, I'm just creating um, a small on both sides. And so that would be a main road in this case. And don't worry about the intersections between roads for this exercise because this is a very preliminary master plan that we're doing, which once we take into ArcGIS Pro or ArcGIS Urban, we can then neaten all these intersections and uh, anomalies anyway. In preparation to make parcels, it's good to know how deep your lot is going to be because depending on the depth of the lot is how you align the roads, and that can create issues when you start making parcels. So in this case, it's 30 meters deep. So as long as the alignment is somewhere just even above 30 meters, it's okay. And you'll notice that once the alignment cuts through this parcel, it creates a new set of it creates a pair of parcels now. It split that parcel into two, and so now you have two parcels. And offset it only on one side this time. So you leave one as 0. And it creates it on just one side. And you might have to play with left or right sometimes. And in this case, I make a mistake where the alignment, the offset doesn't go all the way and it doesn't cross the boundary, and that can be an issue when you create parcels. So you always want to make sure all your lines are intersecting lines. And there's many ways to fix it, but in this case, I've just um, gone ahead and deleted this and created a new offset. Now, the next step will be to create the parcels themselves. So you want to go into Parcel Creation tool. And in this case, the densities I'm looking for here are smaller densities. They're medium density housing. So the parameters will be adjusted according to that. So I'm looking for parcels that are on a minimum area of 300 square meters and really not a lot more than that. And so the depth will be adjusted to get around 300 to 400 square meters. And so you can see here in this case, the minimum depth I put lower than the 30 that we had done. Make sure it's in site 1 again, and then pick the parcel, and then you go into Parcel Creation tools, and slide to create, and you slide the front of the parcel. So that would be the frontage of the parcels that you're trying to create, and you just press enter, accept, enter, 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 and there are your parcels.